Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up the AntiNuke system from InfinityBot. First things first, make sure to invite InfinityBot AntiNuke so we can start with our setup. A link can be found in the description of our video. Now, what exactly does our AntiNuke system even do? Well, our AntiNuke system will prevent users with a large amount of permissions from deleting too many channels, roles, and threads. Our anti-nuke system will also stop people from banning or kicking a large amount of people in a short amount of time. This system can be quite useful to minimize damage that can be done by server raiders. Amazing, right? After inviting the bot using the link in the description, you'll need to do a few more things before you can start setting up the system. Firstly, ensure InfinityBot has the administrator permissions on your server. You can check this by going to your server settings, then role settings, and then looking up the InfinityBot role. Then go to the permissions tab and scroll all the way down until you see the admin permissions. Make sure this has been enabled. Now make sure the InfinityBot role is at the top of your server. You can also check this in the role settings. If the role isn't at the top, drag it all the way up. Every role above InfinityBot will be fully immune to the anti-nuke system.
AntiNuke will, when enabled, protect your server from damage caused by users. The first thing that you need to know is what health is. Health refers to a number in the bot that counts how many actions a user has performed in a certain amount of time. If the health gets too much, action will be taken by the bot to protect your server. Let's take channel deletions for example. When a channel gets deleted by a user, the bot will add 1 point to the health counter. Every hour, the health counter gets reset. However, if it reaches a certain number before that, the bot will either quarantine or kick the user from the server. What action it is depends on how the action from the user was performed. If the user used one of InfinityBot's commands to run it, the user will be quarantined. If not, the user will be kicked. We will now start the basic anti-nuke setup. We have made the /setup anti-nuke command for you to run this setup in one go. You can also follow the following steps to achieve the same thing. The first step of the setup is to add a log channel. A log channel is used to receive all actions that are done in your server. For example, channel deletions, role deletions, user bans, and more. You can do this with the /setup log channel command as shown in the video. Extra owners are people in your server that are marked as owner and are fully immune to all protection systems from InfinityBot. You can mark a user as extra owner with the /setup extra owner command. But remember to only do this with trusted admins or co-owners. For safety reasons, you can select up to 5 extra owners. If you need to check your server settings at any time, you can do with /config command. This command will show you most of your server settings and also some commands to set up other features. Very useful. Please note that everyone with the roles that you select now can use commands associated with the permissions. The first permission will be the manage channel permission. You can select a role that you want to allow to manage channels with the /setup perm channels command. Users with this role will be able to create, delete, and edit channels with my commands. The second permission will be the manage roles permission. You can select a role that you want to allow to manage roles with the /setup perm roles command. Users with this role will be able to create, delete, edit, give, and remove roles with my commands. A separate permission from the manage roles permission is the user roles permission. You can select a role that you want to allow to manage user roles with the /setup perm user roles command. Users with this role will be able to give and remove roles from users with my commands. The last permission will be the kick, ban, unban permission. They are three separate permissions. For each permission, a separate role can be selected with the /setup perm kick ban command. Users with this role will be able to kick, ban, or unban users with my commands. If you need to check your server settings at any time, you can do so with /config command. This command will show you most of your server settings and also some commands to set up other features. You can toggle all anti-nuke systems, channels, roles, and users. Anti-nuke can be separately disabled with the associated toggle commands. You can always check the status of each system with the /config command. Action commands are commands that can be used by users with the right permission to create, edit, delete a channel or role, or to kick, ban, or unban a user. You can see when you delete too many channels, the bot will kick you, and if you delete too many roles, it will also kick you. But once you have been kicked, the bot will send a log, like this. That's the basics of the anti-nuke system. If you want to invite InfinityBot AntiNuke, you can do so with the link in the description. You can also find a link to the documentation there. Thanks for watching.